beautiful people. I'm back today with a mega shake-up. For my ingredients I have 1 cup frozen strawberries, 2 cups frozen blueberries, 1 cup frozen cherries, 2 medium-sized ripe bananas, 6 dates pitted, 3 clove buds, 1 thumb ginger, 1 large apple cored and cut. I'm going to add all these ingredients to my blender. I'll be using a 2-liter or 64-ounce blender. Just put all the ingredients in, no particular order. They're all going to be blended into one shake. I didn't mention in my ingredients, but I'm also including 1 large orange. Just put all those ingredients in. And my bananas. I don't know how many of you used to try and peel your oranges when you were younger without breaking the skin. But as our poet laureate Mervyn Morris from Jamaica says in his poem Peeling Orange, them used to say you peel orange perfect and you get new clothes. Oh, oops. No rind, just orange. Well, I guess I won't get any new clothes. But anyway, it's just the orange I need right now. So there we have it, 1 whole orange. Just put it in the blender. And then we're gonna add our water. To this particular shake, I'm adding 30 ounces of water. Now, if you like, you can use fresh fruits. I choose to use frozen fruits, but you can use fresh fruits. Just add ice instead of plain water to get that slushy texture. And just blend away. Blend on high speed. Okay, let's do one more blend. So there we have it, guys, our mega shake up. You can have it as a shake, or you can freeze it and have it as a popsicle. Either will be great. Great for a snack. So I'm just gonna pour my mega shake in my martini glass and enjoy. Thank you guys for watching, and remember to comment, like, share with your friends, and subscribe. Enjoy life. Bye now.